To separate the basepan assembly from the panel assembly, first remove the cable cover, the stand, the rear cover, the fan assembly, and the heatsink. Remove the webcam plastic cover, the cable pocket, and the optical drive. Partially remove the side audio jack. Partially remove the power button board assembly. Detach the LVDS connector from the motherboard. You will need to pop up system memory modules to access the tape covering the connector. Press the memory modules back down after detaching the LVDS connector. Detach the backlight connector from the motherboard. Remove the backlight cable from the cable guides leading to the backlight connector on the panel. Remove the tape securing the backlight cable to the base pan. Detach the 12 Phillips No. 2 screws that secure the base pan to the panel assembly. Each screw location is marked by a stencil of an arrow with 4 circles inside. Carefully pull the base pan assembly off of the panel, pushing the LVDS cable down through its access hole. To replace the base pan to the panel assembly, first have the panel assembly face down on the work surface. There are several square posts on the top of the middle frame that align into cutouts on the base pan assembly. To replace the base pan to the middle frame and panel assembly, align the top left cutouts over and against their posts. Feed the LVDS cable up through its access hole. And gently press the base pan into place over the panel, being careful not to trap the panel backlight cable. Secure the base pan to the panel assembly with the 12 Phillips No. 2 screws. Place the panel backlight cable into its cable guides and tape it down to the base pan. Reattach the backlight cable to the motherboard. Pop up system memory modules, and reattach and tape down the LVDS cable to the motherboard. Note the backlight cable should be routed under the LVDS cable. Press the memory modules back down into place. Replace the power button board. Replace the side audio jack.